Apple's upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is already sparking early conversations, and while the company isn't planning to tweak the display size, things are definitely changing under the hood. The phone is still expected to feature the same massive 6.9-inch panel we saw on the current Pro Max, but new leaks suggest that the body itself is about to get noticeably thicker. According to well-known Weibo tipster Instant Digital, Apple is adding enough material to push the iPhone 18 Pro Max past the 240-gram mark. In a follow-up post, the leaker mentions the difference being roughly 10 grams compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, putting the new model somewhere around 243 grams. If that figure holds true, the iPhone 18 Pro Max will become one of Apple's heaviest iPhones ever, just about 3 grams more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which currently holds that title. This trend is interesting when you look at Apple's recent material choices. The company shifted from stainless steel to titanium with the iPhone 15 Pro and later the iPhone 16 Pro, achieving noticeably lighter devices. But this year, the iPhone 17 Pro model switched again, this time to aluminum. While aluminum is less dense than titanium, internal redesigns and the new, slightly thicker chassis ended up increasing the overall weight anyway. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, for example, jumped from 227 grams to 233 grams. The leaker even took a jab at the rumored poor sales of the ultra-slim iPhone Air, saying Apple finally figured out that making phones thinner and lighter doesn't automatically make them appealing if it leads to compromises, especially in battery performance. And that's where this new weight increase starts to make sense. While the leaker didn't explicitly confirm the reason behind the thicker iPhone 18 Pro Max, industry expectations point strongly toward a larger battery. On top of that, Apple is also rumored to be introducing a new stainless steel vapor chamber cooling system. And it doesn't stop there. Camera upgrades are also on the horizon. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is rumored to feature a variable aperture main lens, along with a new 3-layer stacked image sensor developed by Samsung, which should help with dynamic range, low-light performance, and overall photo clarity. There may even be changes coming to the Dynamic Island and Face ID, although details on those are still vague. Whether the added weight comes from a single, major hardware upgrade, or the combined impact of all these improvements is still unknown. If Apple follows its usual schedule, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, along with the smaller iPhone 18 Pro, is expected to debut in fall 2026. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 18 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video.